Hello everyone, what's going on? It's PJ here. Welcome to my affiliate domination review. Today I'm going to review this product, and this product is going to be launched today, 5th of July at 9 EDT Eastern Daylight Time. And this product is basically an info-based product where you're gonna learn all about the traffics, from where you get untapped source traffic, free traffic, and also you're gonna learn about how to set uh, paid traffic campaigns, everything in details over here. And also you have some done for you campaigns, proven done for you campaigns, from where you get you can earn daily commissions, daily affiliate commissions as well. If you feel this is something important, then stick with me. I'm going to go through full run through of this product, the sales page, members area, and also I have put some custom bonuses for those who want to pick this up via my link, which I mentioned down below in the description box of this YouTube video. And once you click there, you will be landed on my bonus page. And also today I'm going to uh, go through full run through of this product, so stick with me. You will get more valuable information about this product before purchasing this product. So this is really awesome product. I'm going to share my screen right now, what it is and how does it work. So let's jump to my PC. So as you can see here, this is my special bonus page for affiliate domination product, and this is special bonus page will comes down at 12 p.m. Standard Time on Thursday, July 8th. And this, it says, never reveal twist to affiliate marketing to get free traffic and make daily affiliate commissions. And this is my countdowns. Once this countdown hits 0, all my bonuses will be expired. So you have to take action. You have to purchase this product before the countdown hits 0, and you will not get my any bonuses. So you have to take action before all my this countdown hits 0. So once it does, all my bonuses will be expired. So take the action. Once you like this product, if you like this product, just click any of this yellow button here, and once you click here, you will be landed on the sales page of this affiliate domination product. And here you're gonna see that once you click this yellow button, you will purchase this product and also all my bonuses that go I'm going to give you today. So let's see what's all about affiliate domination. So here, affiliate domination is a step-by-step training course that will help you to hand and show you exactly how to copy that all the big marketers are doing, big affiliate marketers are doing right now to get free traffic. And also it works under the radar method. That is very unique methods, and it's very newbie friendly as well. So this is training based course for all newbie out there in this affiliate marketing. So these are the some upsells we're going to talk this about later. So let's see all about my bonuses that I'm going to give you today completely free of charge. So the first bonus that I'm going to give you is access for lockdown formula. So here you're going to learn everything about how you can make money online in this lockdown scenario, in this pandemic situation. So everything you're going to learn here about how to make money in lockdown. So bonus number 2 is that I'm going to give you access for Zono's mobile course. So here you're going to learn how to start earning money online with your mobile phone, how you can use your mobile phone to start earning online. Everything in details you're going to learn here, so that you can make money with your mobile phone as well. So this is a really valuable bonus that I'm going to give you today. And the third bonus that I'm going to give you is how to build a website for dummies. So here you're going to learn how you can make a dummies website for your affiliate promotions for your product, so that you can send the traffic to your websites to convert that traffic to your commissions. So because as we know that we cannot post directly our affiliate link to any social media platform, so you have to make a websites to put the website links to promote your affiliate promotions or affiliate offers. So how you can make that websites, you're going to learn everything over here to generate tons of traffic and also get more commissions with that. So fourth bonus that I'm going to give you today is access for Nova, and here you're gonna get all upsells completely free of charge. But this for to get access for Nova for all the upsells. You have to take action after 12 hours launching this product. So you have to take action before the 12-hour passed. Once you 12-hour pass, this product will be uh, take out from this bonus page, and you will not be able to get this product. So take action before that and get access for Nova. And how does this work? It works for into TikTok. You'll get traffic from TikTok, and also you have some done for your campaign here, so you don't need to make any website to send the traffic to convert the commissions. So this is a really awesome product. This is a really valuable bonus that I'm going to give you today, completely free of charge, and you will get millions of traffic from TikTok. As we know that there are billions of people who are using the TikTok right now. So this is really valuable bonus that I'm going to give you today. So let's see, the fifth bonus that I'm going to give you is special vendor bonuses that vendor gives to me to give to you, and you'll get all the vendor bonuses, and on top of that you'll get all my bonuses that are completely free of charge, which is really valuable. Even if you buy the front end of this product, which is gonna cost you affiliate domination, which is gonna cost you 12 and 95 cents, $12.95. And in this cost you'll get all my bonuses that I've mentioned down below completely free of charge. You don't need to pay for this. And there are some upsells as well, which is upsell number one is AdWord training. You'll get AdWord training as well, and it costs you $27. AdWord training is how to set the Google ads, how to set Google ads for your websites or for your YouTube promotions, whatever you need for your affiliate promotion, how you set the Google ads. You're gonna learn everything over here in AdWord trainings. And there are option number two is AdWord done for you, and which is gonna cost you $47. It's done for you page keywords and templates that can use be the paid traffic. So option number three is super affiliate coaching. It's gonna cost you $97, and here you're gonna get video coaching series, uh, how anyone can go from affiliate to super affiliate. You're gonna learn everything over here. And option number four is tube domination. Here it's gonna cost you $197. Here you're gonna learn YouTube software. This is brand new and allow you to get tons more real likes and comments to your videos, which will help to get more real traffic and rank your videos higher on the Google and YouTube. So this is really valuable upsells, which is going to cost you $997. Upsell number five is super affiliate live coaching, which is going to cost you $297. This is live VIP coaching where Paul and Awani walk you through live on video exactly how to set up profitable campaigns to finish plus Q&A, extra tips and tricks, extra supports. You'll get extra supports from Paul's and when these guys are really uh, good guys, because they have been working in this field very long. So you can get more knowledge with this product once you start super affiliate live coaching. So let's see about sales page of affiliate domination. So here you can see this is sales page of affiliate domination, and it includes step-by-step training modules done for you campaigns, and also you'll get 1091 in free bonuses also. So this is the new method which is never revealed, is to reveal affiliate marketing to get free traffic and make daily affiliate commission. And for this you don't need to work whole days, multiple niches. You can work with multiple niches in just for few minutes per day, and this is very long sales page. You can read this in your own time, and it says never release method that shows you how we make steady stream of daily affiliate commissions. No hard work needed. You don't need to any prior experience or repetition in affiliate marketing to do this. This works for in any niches. Everything you need to replicate our results includes inside affiliate domination. So you can just replicate their results and you'll have lots of commissions from here as well. So, and also it comes with 30 days money back guarantee, so you are covered with 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't like this product, if you don't feel this product is something good for you, then you have right to ask for your refund, and you'll get all your money back once you apply for a refund. So you can read this in your own time. These are the some testimonials which shows that it really works, and you can read this in your own time. And this is really easy to use. These are really easy to use. Just 3 steps. Follow the simple steps. Easy creates winning affiliate campaign in any niche. And step 2 is use affiliate domination method to get free traffic following very quickly. And step number 3 is do what we do and make daily affiliate commission that allow you to live life on your own terms. So you can read this in your own time. This is really big, and these are the two guides behind this product, and you can read this in your own time to get more knowledge about this product. And you are, let's see about this members area. Once you purchase this product, how you can see in the dashboard and in the member area. So once you log in into this product, into this affiliate domination product, you will see this dashboard in front of you. It is traffic domination, one link to rule them all. So here you're gonna see this dashboard, and also you can see here you can earn $20 once you complete all the modules, all the training inside it. And for that you have 13 days, 20 hours, 21 hours, 4 minutes. These are the countdowns. If you complete all the modules, all the training before this time period, and then you will get $20 bonus with this with the vendor of this product. And for that you have to complete each and every modules completely without skipping anything. And you can see here all the modules are locked here, and to open this, to unlock this module, you have to finish this module first, and this module will be unlocked automatically. So like here, if you complete this module, you can unlock this module automatically. So you can see here, to unlock this modules, you have to complete all the modules before this modules or that modules, then you will be unlocked. You can unlock all the modules like that. And once you finish all these modules, you can get $20 bonus by the vendor of this product. So this is really awesome things, and you'll get more knowledge about this product as well once you start. And once you start completing these modules, and you can see here in the next module you're gonna learn, in the second module you're gonna learn introducing the mega link, and also earn with the mega links, how you can earn with the mega links, the stepping stones to success, OLSP points, and meet your team. In module number 5 you're gonna learn meet your team and get the help you need. And also in the module number 6 there are lots of modules. You can see there are almost 15 modules. And also you have here dashboards. These all will be unlocked once you finish this traffic dominator camp. And you can see training units. You'll get all the trainings, how you can start with, and growth hacks, meet your team, traffic tools, TD products, commission generators, commissions, and OLSP dominator, comment dominators. And in advanced section, you can see here the income stream multipliers, 30 days email hacks, and VIPs, and link generator. You can have all these things. This is like a business in a box. You'll get everything here in details, and once you get this product, you will start earning right away once you finish all these modules, all the training course inside this product. I really insist you guys, I really recommend you guys to get this product and start your earning right now. And this is really really valuable product. And also my bonuses, you'll get more out of this product with my bonuses as well. So this is really valuable product, as I believe. And also this is really good things that you get the traffic to your affiliate bonus, because as we know that traffic is the main source for all main assets for all the affiliate marketers out there. We need traffic to generate our commissions. So this is really valuable product for those who want to have the traffic in their promotion and in their affiliate offers. So this is really valuable, and thank you very much that for your supports to now. And if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and if you like this video, please smash the like button and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you very much for your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.